Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Over here you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings and click I accept in the pop-up. Then adjust your wallpaper however you wish to in those wallpaper settings. And when you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time click on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of those options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!